Hello, my people. How na dey? I know say I dey look for Abat. I say no me Abat ya we say oh. Now they come send me this video say Mama, Abat no fit eat oh. Now come dey watch this video. Now say na true oh. Abat no fit eat. Abat call my dear. Call. Egbe. Na so e be election. Na you carry the election put for head like say tomorrow no dey oh. You can't use everybody turn to your enemy. You know say election dem no dey put am like that o. The way you take put am for head. If you see this one wey talk to Obazee, you go break him head. If you see the another one wey wan talk to Obazee, you go kick am comot. Eat food uribaye. Eko no gwe baye egwe miame. About eat food, no worry. You know say na you still catch out well na. After 8 years. When you take shot, then you know your pocket full. You can't even dey throw away self. Now you can't even see money where you take carry the whole family come. Even your job can still come abroad. So you try. May you eat oh. I can't tell you may you eat because as they send me this video, I say So how about the condition don't reach like this? How about eat food though? PDP. Wey dey for Naija, they don dey eat one your feel ogokwa because they know say 8 years no be still small thing. They don still do their own, make dem still go. APC now they wan take over. I know say e go pay you small. But not because of that one you can't say you no eat oh. You can't sit down and say no, I will not eat food. No matter wetin, anything wey you see for life, you go eat first because this our belle. You no know whether something dey happen. You no know oni see any na ta we on we konoma onja for where even though say you dey something dey happen, that belle go say krrr abeg bring food come. About the evaite call my dear. Awari evaye. The problem wey you go come get now na be say you see all those people wey be say you don beat ugbiyan have you ever wegbe you beat them like say tomorrow not dey like say Obazee na the same papa the same mama na born una. About I know say you dey think na oko the ake sun APC una just come like this. Una just carry the vote. You say there's the thief and problem not dey na so e be. You know say if you not reach una side, e go come be thief. If you dey for the opponent, e go be we understand now. We worry that as far as say na UK we dey, no problem. You go find something they do. I believe say APC they no want me you come. They no agree. They no agree because you beat everybody. Even go rich person wey even take you come off for Africa country. Oshomole. You beat us so that one come small part. You can't now gbe do ye tekbu. About it beko. About it beat not be smart yo. He give am boss bass. That one can't even the fair where one wrong go. I know say you can't they think all these things now say you too beat up everybody go anybody where you say Obazee road no good. About you just run come out. You go just clear the comot for ground. All those people just use their head take na ground. Whoa! You go say make una know they talk to Obazee wa atie boni yen. About you know say that time we even dey tell you. Say about this the way they do so no good oh. Politics not be like this so why people no fit talk to their governor now? You can't say na your governor when we were doing you pay put. As Obazee can come out now where you want come go now. How you want come do now? I know say now all these things you dey think for there. Now make me. You see be my brother when I can't advise you. And we worry what you can they do now? You can they do blogging. You know anything where you see say they happen for UK, you can they blog and comment. You know, so that Nigeria now that one now road don't close for there because even though say you can they shout for ordinary grants. Authorities will handle autology and peace go come still dey. Before people even dey fear to even talk about Obazee. If they just say Oba, second or way Aba don't be the finish. He go carry okpokpo wa gbejiyan go. What are you talking? People come dey fear say Abati river. So as you don't still eat 8 years, you obey we ya go. About use 2 hands take the pack can. Now make can come the davan. about adavare now. You think say na ordinary grant for where? Anybody wey just say Obaseki about he wa gbe, he go beat am till the person go come dey cry, the person go come dey run dey go before about go leave am. My people, now as I see this video, I need to talk to am as a good sister. Wey about eat the food finish. Even though say you can't stay like this, you can't dey like but na me come tell you now, start from somewhere. They do blogging yo. Na blogging na you come dey do now. So all those one go still help you. Chop oh, if you not chop, you are on your own. Because before you can't know now say wetin dey do and they'll say belly stomach don close. No let am close oh, chop your food. Tony Kabaka is back. Na so e be. Na you fair day before. Now it's Tony Kabaka turn. Na turn by turn this like turn by turn no, na turn by turn. Not the two the booga. One ben yes one. About was boogaini and boogaring. It was like gbenokeko day. About eat food. Not be say you go inside go dey cry oh. The only thing where you go do now, now just get up, go look for something make you can't dey do. Because if you can't sit down for inside house, you can't dey like, can't dey cry. It not go help you oh. Because they just win now. So not be say you just start now, can't they say, hey oh my God oh, oh, Obaseki don't go, he don't go, Otope, or phone abati, he don't finish, and nobody even you can't be your friend, nobody, or everybody will be say be your friend. You use you see this like na so e be oh. Now make if you dey on power, not to use that too much oh, because that power go expire one day. If he expire at any time, because me I believe say you about you not believe say this thing go happen. Now so e be. Everybody will be saying near you that time. You the election where you support. Una you pokpo ya gbiyan, you carry over your donor swedging ya gbi. Now so e be. Not to think how. You know say if you can't think like this now, you can't get some problem go come there. Depression is real, BP is real. All this maybe you can't cry for his ass or go can't damage your eye. So as a good sister where I be to you, you just like let it go. I know say you no expect and so it be, but you may you still dey understand say na game. If you enter, if you no enter, you go say na so it be. As he enter that time where you dey enjoy and you were enjoying it. So now where be say the enjoyment don't like go now. Where we be or okay. Now this small video now say me I can't see do. I say I just see this one now say about try to get up. Oh yeah, behave as a man. Not be say you come there like nobody kpai oh. Nobody kpai. Now only say your party no win. Like say them do where they for win. You know about you still understand say those people they not use their thing knock wall that they see what you know they see. Because you know say as money come now you can dey paint am for us, they bend am for us, they twist am for us, but people know where something they go. So take it easy and take heart, okay? APC don't take over, and na so e be. Overtaking is allowed, and they don't take am. So maybe when you get time, you'll see come they address all these things for us. But you make sure say you get sense now. Not be the one where you feel they do that time. You go beat anybody where not near you. Everybody where you be say you don't wish boss bass. You see now make they know they do bad though, because anything where they do, he go wait for you for front. Now be all these things now. You see. We know say you just take and like say, oh, that those states belong to you and Obaseki. But it was not like that. But now wait till you believe now be that one. So try to take heart, drink water, eat food though. Not to say I not tell you oh. Eat food, may you drink water. Not go they drink anyo. Not go they drink ogogoro. It not good by this time. Water now you just they drink. Just sit down, just they eat. Say okay now turn by turn. APC don't take am, PDP don't lose. Na problem not there. You understand? 8 years they do something. About not gree show us. They not do about not gree tell us. E just dey tell us say Mona carry go. Obaseki is the right man. Anybody wey come is the right man. But now, may we still try APC. Abi. And here they try young 8 years wey Obaseki stay for there. About igbe logangbe. Too much now. Eh? So about take am easy o. When you not talk say nobody even ask of you. We dey ask of you say where is Abat? Some of them say you dey cook the vote for one corner for them. About stop me, stop this cry oh. Stop this cry oh. Not talk say I not tell you oh, my people. Okay, now me I drop am for here. Abemona dey check on Abat oh, because e no easy. We not know say the way we take carry and not be small, not be the way we say the talk and so e go full. Now be the problem oh. Not because on that thing oh. E go day or why problem na. Na bye bye oh. About take it easy, go and eat, dress up, or you look for something doing. You know say you get family. APC don't carry go. Na bye bye.